It's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And today I've got a request from AE1's1. I think that's the handle on YouTube. The film Did Not Go Round by Not a Surf. Coming up. If you haven't heard this song, check it out on YouTube, and basically, here it is. Thanks for the request. Let me show you what strings we're using. The best way to describe this is if you were playing a D sus chord. Take your fingers into the D chord, and the sus is when you put your pinky down. Well, to begin with, the intro is middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and we're going to keep those positions. We're just going to move it down the neck. So we start picking them at the same time. We're on the 2nd fret, then we move to the 4th fret, pick the 3rd string and the 2nd string at the same time, then we go to the 2nd fret, pick the 3rd and 1st string at the same time, and then the 5th fret. And then the singing begins. And we're going to make the D chord. And it starts at one pick of the 4th string, which is the D string. And then we put our pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Pick it. Raise your pinky up. And pick it. The second time round, it's 2 picks of the D string, and then pinky on the 1st string. Remove your pinky and pick the F sharp. So it's goes to the G, and we're picking the 3rd fret of the 6th string and still picking the 3rd fret of the high E and the 2nd fret of the high E. So it's it's 1 pick, and then fret 3 and 2 of the high E, and then pick the G twice. And that goes back to the D. A. 1 time, and D. And in the middle of the song, it's which is the intro basically, and then it starts over. if you have any requests, go ahead and leave them in the comments. If you like this video, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't checked out what's cooking over at YourGuitarGuide.com, check it out. We've got a lot of free goodies over there. Thanks.